10 realistic and 100% genuine ways to make money online. Number 1. Sell products online. The internet has completely changed the buying process. In 2000, a research center study found that only 23% of people were shopping online. Compare that to a more recent 2018 study that found that 78% of people make online purchases. Buyers now prefer shopping from the comfort of their homes and on their smartphones. These changes present an opportunity for entrepreneurs to become a successful businessman. You no longer need a physical storefront to have a great business. 4 different options for online sales: selling on Amazon, selling on eBay, selling on your own online store, selling on Facebook. Number 2. Online website testing jobs. Website owners always need people like you to test their websites in order to get public opinion, feedback and user experience before launching of his newly created website. A test can take typically 30 to 40 minutes. Website testers are likely to make $10 to $30 per test based on the complexity and length of the test. You may need a microphone and webcam to do website testing jobs. Here are some reputed sites that list website testing jobs: usertesting.com, UI.com, userlytics.com. Number 3. Online data entry. Data entry is a simple job that anyone with basic computer and fast and accurate typing skills can do from the comfort of their computer. Data entry work involves typing up data fast and accurately for the clients. You can find genuine data entry jobs on these websites: accentdata.com, capitaltyping.com, clickworker.com, workers.virtualbee.com, guru.com, peoplepper.com, freelancer.com. Number 4. Tutoring Online. There are many reputed tutoring agencies online. You can join them to find clients that need tutoring in your knowledgeable subjects. In these tutoring agencies you need to apply and become an online tutor, and they connect you with the students or clients, and students get benefit from your area of expertise and you get handsome money. You will need a Skype account and high-speed internet connection to offer tutoring in academic or non-academic subjects. Here are some websites you can check out to find online tutoring jobs: tutor.com, tutorvista.com, tutorzilla.com, Tutors Home, Homework Tutoring. Number 5. Earn money on YouTube. I will not promise that you will become a YouTube celebrity and earning billions overnight, but if you start taking small steps you will definitely start earning money from YouTube. You can start your YouTube channel just by logging through your Gmail account. Step 1. To start, open youtube.com with your Gmail account. Step 2. Click on the upload video on the right side. Step 3. Fill your business name and then. Step 4. Click on Create Channel. Step 5. Now upload video. Selecting your YouTube channel for earning money is much related with your hobby and passion for work, but if you only start YouTube channel for making billions overnight, then this is not right place for you. Eligibility requirements for monetizing YouTube video is channel reaches 4,000 watch hours in the previous 12 months and 1,000 subscribers. Building your own audience puts you in a great position to monetize in a variety of ways by YouTube channel. Number 6. Earn money as a freelancer. Freelancing means to have different kind of works, short-term assignments or contracts with many companies, websites, organizations. Freelancer is a marketplace of ideas, skills, and talents where anyone can work according to requirement of job. You can work according to what you love, hobby and your passion. First you decide what type of freelance work you are committed to doing that reflect your hobby and passion. Here are some websites you can check out to find online freelancer jobs: Upwork, Guru, People Per Hour, Textbroker, Online Writing Jobs, Writer's Domain, Write.com. Number 7. Make money on Fiverr. Fiverr.com has become popular as the premier source of micro-outsourced services on the internet. Most of the services on Fiverr require that you work on a custom job or according to requirement of client, and you get paid for your work. The client sends you specifications and requirements, and you produce fresh materials based on those requirements. Services offered on Fiverr involve graphic design, digital marketing, programming and tech, video and animation, logo design, music and audio, Twitter posts, Facebook promotions and Google+ promotions. If you are able to work very quickly, you can get paid handsomely. If you know how to use automated photo-based drawing tools, you can create digital drawings very quickly. People are always looking for custom graphics based on their pictures. Number 8. Blogging. Blogging could be a nice way to earn handsome money. If you have a favorite hobby or improving idea that make people's life easier, you can just write blog on it and share your blog with others. You can write blog on academic subject, non-academic subjects or topic on which you have good knowledge. Once your blog starts getting some audience, you can use a number of ways to monetize your blog. Here is how to make money from a blog. Set up your blog. Start creating useful content that make people's life easier. Start finding your targeted readers. Build engagement with the readers that come on your blog and make them a regular reader. Start making money from the readership and use a number of ways to monetize your blog. Number 9. Paid online survey. There are a growing number of research companies. They need your opinions for their products and also rewarding for your opinions. Each research company has a limited number of online surveys each month for each person. One of the ways can earn money quickly is to take paid online surveys. If you want to earn serious rewards, you will signing up to as many sites as possible. There are plenty of survey companies or sites that will let you create an account with their sites. Swagbucks, Taluna, Vivatic, OnePoll, Valued Opinions, MySurvey, YouGov. Number 10. Sell as an affiliate. An affiliate marketer promotes specific products or websites, and when a sale generated by his shared link, affiliate marketer receive a handsome commissions. Anytime the recommendation or web traffic from an internet affiliate leads to a sale, the affiliate earns money. There are loads of resources for making money online as an affiliate. You could source products from ClickBank, Commission Junction, Rakuten Marketing, Share a Sale, Impact Radius. Many of the larger companies have their own affiliate programs as well, so find the right company with a relevant product or service to your audience that you can sell as an affiliate. If you want to know all about online business, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Comment below and press bell icon for getting notification of our new videos. Thank you for watching.